whether there is a boundary to the universe we live in.
James Weber. The James Webb Space Telescope has brought new discoveries. His discoveries, time and time again,
Have overturned our understanding of the universe.
For the universe, there are many opinions. Some people think there was no Big Bang, has no scale, is infinite. In the universe,
Planets and other celestial bodies and matter are infinite.
others think the universe is similar to the human body. Each cell represents a galaxy structure. Scientists, on the other hand, believe
The universe began with a Big Bang 138 billion years ago.
but the latest discovery of Weibo makes Nobel Prize winner David Gross sigh. Welcome to Leoma's Mystery Club. His words will make you more confused about our universe. He said we have not encountered conflicts or problems.
Since the summer of 2022,
We are facing a crisis. Scientific research seems to have stalled. There are no new discoveries,
Nor further exploration of galaxies.
global researchers have encountered unprecedented challenges.
the latest discoveries of the James Webb Space Telescope
May completely change our understanding of cosmology. Theoretical physicist
Nobel Prize winner David Gross
summarized it as
What we are facing is not a scientific problem, but an actual crisis.
it may overturn everything we currently know. Since the James Webb Space Telescope has shown the first photo of the young universe, scientists have felt unprecedented despair because we may have been spreading some half-truths as certain facts, as if they were certain facts. Now, dozens of theories are facing testing, whether we must accept.
Such an unpleasant fact that
We have almost believed a century-long mistake. If the Big Bang Theory is proven to be wrong, billions of textbooks around the world will need to be rewritten. These consequences will not only affect the Big Bang Theory itself, other physical concepts may suddenly become obsolete.
related to this basic dogma.
We may be at the beginning of a new physics. Let's take a look again. What has happened since the summer of 2022? James Webb
The James Webb Space Telescope in July 2022
provided the first deep space image of the universe. Here you can see that Weber,
the light of the oldest galaxies captured by the telescope. The orange and red spots are the oldest light sources.
a few days after the image was released, a Harvard researcher
named Naidu
announced an incredible discovery. A galaxy with a redshift of 13. This means that this galaxy existed after the Big Bang had already existed in just 200 million years. As we know, the formation of galaxies takes billions of years. The old calculation methods no longer work. The second mystery is, these galaxies are not only extremely advanced,
but also in the so-called Dark Age.
they were already shining. There were only a few initial stars, at most. Nearly 20 such very old galaxies. And in future studies, more may be confirmed.
Researchers have also discovered at least 7 black holes.
Evidence. These black holes also existed shortly after the Big Bang, and they are too large to be young. This has sparked the biggest crisis in modern cosmology. There is no answer yet. In addition to doubts about the Big Bang itself, all theories about the expansion of the universe, about the space,
All theories about the formation of matter,
the observations of redshift, and dozens of other theories are being tested. Is Hubble's constant wrong? You know that
Almost all theories about the Big Bang
are based on a single observation may now be proven to be wrong. Edwin Hubble discovered in the 1920s.
galaxies are moving away from us at a rate proportional.
From
His formula is equal to h0 times d.
accurately described this effect. So, the Hubble constant and the subsequent theory of cosmic expansion.
Belgian physicist Georges Lemaître
Subsequently, the idea that the universe started from a single point. The Big Bang theory was just a few steps away. The expansion rate of the universe, so it shows the speed at which galaxies are moving apart.
Hubble's results were later repeatedly checked,
And it was found to be correct. With the discovery of the microwave background radiation, new evidence emerged,
which also shows a clear expansion pattern.
Modern methods, such as dual-factor shock,
for studying the large-scale structure of the universe,
provide better and better possibilities. And this
Is where the first real problem arises.
recent measurements show depends on the measurement method or object. The calculated Hubble constant there are small but significant differences. Further differences emerged. These differences are called Hubble tension. So far,
Attempts to solve the Hubble tension have failed.
but James Webb's latest discovery may provide important clues. If our old theories are fundamentally incorrect,
Then the measurement of the largest structure
show obvious inconsistencies, would not be surprising. Does dark matter not exist? This is very attractive.
because problems in the Standard Model.
Have long been present.
When Swiss astronomer Fritz Zwicky
Yes, when Swiss astronomer Fritz Zwicky observed strange motions, he noticed that the movement of galaxies did not match the known physics dynamics inside. There must be some unknown force at work. This is the birth of the concept of dark matter. Since then,
cosmologists and astronomers
Have been building a picture.
development and operation. Dark matter has been incorporated into this picture.
but so far, is still an unproven construct. It said,
Dark matter is crucial for the formation of the first galaxy,
is crucial because it acts as a kind of glue.
attracting normal matter and gathering it together.
This idea is Shexiang the first clusters of gas and dust
Under the influence of the dark matter halo,
gather more and more normal matter. Within these dark matter halos, normal matter further condensed.
collapsed under its own gravity,
And begin to form stars. And eventually form galaxies.
Without the gravitational viscosity of dark matter,
Normal matter will not be able to gather at a high enough density.
gather, to form stars and galaxies on larger scales. The distribution of dark matter is thought to form a web, where dark matter halos are important nodes. This explains the large-scale collections of galaxies.
Such as galaxy clusters and superclusters.
The network also determines the large-scale structure. However, observations of the cosmic large-scale structure now leads to more and more differences.
Something went wrong in old calculations and theories. It seems that the universe is trying at every turn.
Point this out to us. Say goodbye to dark energy. What if dark energy is also a misunderstanding? It is discussed as the driving force of the universe's accelerated expansion. Measurements show the universe has expanded for 5 billion years, which initially contradicted the Big Bang's principle. In addition to the accelerated expansion,
The evidence of its existence has also been found
in the observation of supernova and in the cosmic microwave background radiation. In short, we can say that dark matter gathers galaxies together through gravity,
while dark energy accelerates the universe.
and separate it.
The existence of dark energy has not been proven.
There are even some cosmological concepts can describe the universe as widely without involving dark matter and dark energy at all. For example, by modifying some cosmological constants as the M concept assumes, although it cannot describe the entire universe, it can describe so many parts that they must be taken seriously. Alternative explanations. Since James Webb showed the error of the old concept, new attention have been placed in the less favored theories. Imagine that if dark matter and dark energy suddenly disappeared from physics, just like the Big Bang, what would happen next? Currently,
We don't know which old theories will become popular.
and in a few months, and what new theories we will have. Currently, it's completely open. The large-scale structure of the Pandora cluster, James Webb Space Telescope, did it again. In the spring of 2023, Weber took another deep space image. This time, the image shows the Pandora cluster behind the cluster. Due to the gravitational lensing, the ancient galaxies and stars
Appear in the four corners again. Scientists are used to seeing very old and
actually impossible to exist.
but this image shows something else.
A huge structure seems to be behind the galaxy cluster. If the preliminary measurements are correct, this structure is so huge that it may indicate the existence of a galaxy cluster. The only problem is this structure is too old and too big. It cannot exist in a young universe. This is the next evidence.
Indicates that the universe was 13 or 13.5 billion years ago,
It seems that,
compared with what scientists used their models.
and theories to predict, very different. 研究人员得到的不是新的解释，
而是越来越多的任务要解决。
我们可能很快就会了解到越来越多的奇怪发现。我们必须希望越来越多的拼图碎片将逐渐显现出来。 只有当我们拥有尽可能多的数据时，科学家们才敢提出新的假设。目前，微博任务还太年轻，不能急于得出新的结论。
来自加拿大渥太华的伦特拉。
古普塔是这一规则的绝对例外之一。他在2023年提出了他的扩展宇宙周期理论，并从他的科学同事那里获得了极大的认可。古普塔展示了暗能量修改的引力理论
和循环宇宙概念的结合，使得宇宙的一个全新时代成为可能。
26.8亿年的数字
将为星系和恒星的发展
留出更多的空间，并可能解释
为什么宇宙在13.5亿年前
就已经成熟和高度发展。我们需要更多的证据来解决这场危机。
詹姆斯·韦伯的任务将需要很多年，
但韦伯可能无法单独解决宇宙学危机。2023年，欧空局将尤里西斯太空望远镜送入轨道。尤里西斯的任务是创建有史以来最完美的宇宙地图。科学家们希望
它能提供关于暗物质的工作
和存在的进一步线索。
由于当前的原因，
尤利西斯也可能被用来测试
替代理论。从2026年开始，
南希格雷斯罗曼太空望远镜
将观察宇宙现象，如超新星，并精确测量宇宙膨胀。维拉西鲁宾天文台是这场竞赛中的另一张技术王牌。这个地面望远镜
将精确地揭示宇宙的大尺度结
构。研究人员希望更多地了解星系团、超星系团的形成以及宇宙丝状物的作用。维拉西鲁宾天文台
将特别寻找引力透镜，
这些基本上是宇宙中所有非常大的物体。由于它们的引力，
它们就像放大镜一样。望远镜将位于智利北部
2682米高的埃尔潘峰。2024年，纳瑟的 Spire 任务将绘制整个天空的地图，探索宇宙的历史。通过收集关于宇宙背景的数据，
SpaceX 可以为解决当前宇宙学危机
做出重要贡献。你对宇宙的存在有什么观点？欢迎留言讨论。